Okay, here we are. Another beautiful day. Here's a hood that David Burleson has repaired. Fiberglass, some cracks and stuff. And then he's got this fender right here that he's redone. Getting ready to get it prepped and painted. It's going on that wrecked truck right there. I'm replacing the door right now on it. Then we'll have to straighten that corner or that post right there. Otherwise, this truck will be back on the road pretty soon. Besides what has been robbed off of it. Huh. That is right there. I guess it got damaged too, but anyways. Hit the like button if you like the content. If you're not subscribed, appreciate you subscribing. Y'all have a good day. Over and out.